buddy of mine has this card that he wants me to work on. It's Rocket Snorlax EX, and he has a little bit damage on it. We already worked a lot of the scratches out, but there are still a couple. One being right there, that's just too deep. We did work out quite a bit of scratching. And there's a bit of dirt up here that we got rid of. We cleaned this card up. But overall, it looks in pretty good shape. We have a little bit of a lifted edge right there that I think we can work out. The whitening we can't do anything about. But overall, I mean, it's pretty warped right now, but it's been sitting in the humidor for about 24 hours now. We do have a slight crease. Not sure if I'm going to be able to get this on the camera. Right there. So we're hoping to either get that out completely or just lower that just so it's hard to see in any light. This is his favorite Pokemon. And one of his favorite cards, so he just wants it to look nice. The good thing is this crease does not go all the way to the back. See? So that's good news. So I think we can get this done pretty well. So when he watches this, he's gonna freak out. But what I'm gonna do is take a little card spray from Kurt's Card Care. Learned a lot from him, probably 90%. I do things a little bit different, but everyone has their own methods. Now I'm just soaking up some of this, and I'm gonna dab it. I changed my mind. I'm gonna do a dropper for this thing. And I'm just gonna put a few little, like a little stream almost alongside of it, or on top of the creased area. Let's see if I can get it. It's hard to do when there's, there we go. Once the card gets a little bit more humid, it'll let that water kind of sit on it better. Or I shouldn't say water, the card spray. Sit on it for a little while, or easier. So now for this, I'm just gonna set it right back in the humidor and wait another day, and then probably start working this out, working that crease out and the lifted edge. There's also a lifted edge on the front here, but I think we could get all that out. All right, thank you for watching.